Unraveling Hogwash, a journey into English expressions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting English phrase to explore: hogwash. If you've ever come across this term and wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in and unravel the mysteries of this unique expression together. The word hogwash is a noun and it's used to describe something that is nonsense, meaningless, or ridiculous. When someone says something that you think is untrue or silly, you can refer to their statement as hogwash. It's a way to express disbelief or rejection of what has been said. For example, if someone says, "Eating carrots will turn your skin orange," you might respond, "That's hogwash," because you know that this statement isn't entirely true. The term hogwash has a very interesting origin. Historically, hogwash referred to the swill or waste food that was fed to pigs. Over time, the meaning of the word evolved to describe something considered to be worthless or of no value, much like the scraps given to pigs. Understanding the historical context of the word can help English language learners to better grasp why it's used to describe nonsense or silly statements in contemporary English. Now that we know what hogwash means and where it comes from, let's talk about how you can use it in a sentence. Affirming your disbelief. The idea that you can learn a language overnight is complete hogwash. Expressing skepticism. He claims he can predict the future, but I think that's hogwash. Rejecting false information. Some people believe that the moon landing was a hoax, but that's just hogwash. Remember, hogwash is a strong word that completely dismisses the statement or idea it's referring to. So, you want to be sure that it's appropriate for the situation before you use it. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term hogwash. I hope this video has helped to clear up any confusion you might have had about this phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you're doing great. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.